The next method is business games, where trainees must make decisions based on the information they collect and how they analyze it. While they do this, they have to follow a set of rules and compete with other learners, the clock, or some other standard. And the best answer is not always obvious. In highly interactive business games, decisions are interdependent. The consequences of any one given choice are dependent on other trainees' decisions. While having fun is part of the learning process, these games need to be clearly linked to the learning outcomes in order to be effective. High performers should be those who demonstrate newly learned KSAOs and behaviors. The best games require trainees to complete different levels of training to prove that they've mastered the content at each level. Leaderboards that show who has the most points do in fact motivate some low scorers to improve their training performance. We also tend to be more motivated when we compete against our own scores. Business games can be effective because learners are actively involved in the learning process. Games can be exciting to play, and they can hold people's attention for long periods of time. It also helps when the competitive nature of the game is similar to the competitive nature of the work environment. Like simulations, these games allow us to mimic work situations that are dangerous or risky. This method is popular for developing skills in management, healthcare, and engineering. Unfortunately, business games can be expensive and time-consuming to develop. This is an activity that may need to be outsourced to an external vendor. Even the best designers may have difficulty mimicking the work environment, and these games may not be as realistic as they need to be to maximize learning. Plus, trainees must be highly motivated to participate. Some people are not motivated by competition, and others don't see the value in quote-unquote playing games.